Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the SumoSprings Solo Custom Helper Springs for the rear axle. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2014 and newer Nissan Frontier vehicles. And on a custom fit part like this, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now these helper springs will upgrade your vehicle's rear suspension for improved driver control and comfort. They'll help keep your vehicle level when you're towing or hauling a heavy load. They'll help to absorb bumps and shocks, and they'll even minimize sway. They are progressive load control, which means the springs will compress according to the weight of the cargo. So if you have a lighter load on it, the springs will compress easily at first for a nice soft engagement and a less bumpy ride. And then when you have a heavier load on the springs, they'll compress by as much as 80% for support. These springs will work independently from each other to compensate for off-center loads, help reduce body roll during sharp turns. They are made of a durable microcellular urethane. They're designed to work in temperatures from a negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And the material will resist damage that can be caused by oils, road salts, UV rays. They offer minimal lateral expansion, meaning the springs will compress vertically instead of to the sides, so they aren't easily damaged when operating in tight spaces. And as you can see, they're maintenance free. There's no tubing to have to run or air pressure to monitor like with air springs. They're a very simple no drill installation. Comes with a nice set of instructions that will describe how they install. It does include everything shown here: the 2 jound style springs, the 4 spacers, the 2 tag nuts, and they even include a nice tube of thread locker. These parts are made in the USA. Specs on this: the weight capacity at 50% compression is 1,000 pounds, and the SumoSprings will not increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity. But that should do it for the review on the SumoSprings Solo Custom Helper Springs for your rear axle.